Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods. These are the Apple AirPods Pro. So you can see that, the Pro with wireless charging. Now, just doing a simple unboxing video of this, but I want to go over with the old series, the Series 1 and the Series 2. So the Series 2 I ended up giving to my daughter. Difference between the Series 1 and 2, I believe the 1, I mean, don't quote me if I'm wrong on this, but I think the battery life lasted a lot longer in the Series 1. Now the Series 2, they seem to like die out a little faster. But my daughter wanted some headphones, so I figured I'd give her those. She was going to buy some Apple AirPods, so I just decided to give her those and order the Pro since they just came out. I just purchased the other ones, the second version, but so I went ahead and ordered this just to see how they are, how they sound, because I do use them a lot. You know, I'm always on the phone and stuff like that, especially if you're driving. It's a lot better to wear this instead of holding a big phone, especially an iPhone 11 Max Pro. So let's get on the unboxing of this. I just want to kind of see what they are, like what they look like compared to the other ones in person. And what's crazy is Best Buy didn't even have these in store, so I had to get them through Best Buy, have them shipped. Apple was saying that the latest they had them were like probably about 2 to 3 weeks out. So I wasn't usually they'll ship them fast, you know, they're a little faster than that, but that's a lot. So these are kind of a little pricey compared to the other ones, but the Series 2 are kind of pricey. Now you remember with the Series, you remember with the first generation, they couldn't even sit there and like you couldn't even get them in stock, not whatsoever. And it was crazy for like a year, probably a year and a half, right around there, until you get your hands on them. You'd have to buy them aftermarket. So we got our little thing designed by Apple in California. So this is basically telling you how to switch out the tips and press and play, which we should probably read those instructions. So I guess they're different. Now with this, the Apple 2 or the Pros, I do like the tap feature. So if this is just a sensor feature, that's gonna be a thumbs down on that one, because I do like the quick tap. You just go, you know, to end a phone call or to hit Siri up or skip a song. See, yeah, see, press to play. So forward, press to hold. So to switch between active noise cancellation, that's going to be a press and hold. And now all you have to do is say, "Hey Siri," to activate Siri instead of double tapping. So there's a couple different features that they changed. But what I'm interested in is, because dealing with customers a lot, I'd have them in my ears, and half the time I forget that I have my earpods in. But it, you know, takes away some of the sound in that ear. So having the pass-through sound, that would be kind of interesting to see how that works. So you could use them with iPad, Apple Watch. So yeah, normally I don't open instructions, but might have to on this one. So we get them out of the box. Do they give us a cord? Oh, they gave us a cord. And it's Type C. A lightning connector. You know, I don't like the Type C now because I got so many charger bricks. I wonder if you could use the fast charging on this too. So these are your tips, I guess, that you're gonna use. Let's say pull. So these are the different size tips. I'm probably gonna go for the small ones because the other AirPods fit perfect in my ear. It's got some weight to it now. Now it really doesn't look like dentist floss. So we pop them open. Oh, they come with tips already on them. So these might be a perfect fit. They got a little bit of weight to them. I don't know to say if they're heavier than the other ones. I kind of do want to say they're just a tad at the top right here. Those things like move around pretty freely. So this is obviously a sensor right here, touch sensor. That would be your press and hold. So just a tad bit bigger cutout there for the air. Yeah, I want to see how this one fits in my ear. Oh, that feels weird. Compared to the regular, now it really feels like you have something in your ear. Now with the other old school AirPods, they'd actually just sit in your ear. This one kind of like pushes in your ear. So I'd probably the right fit, but I mean it fits. It doesn't want to move around at all. That's kind of good. But probably going to be killing the battery using that pass-through sound. So the charging, they got the negative and positive split. And they got a screen mesh down there. So these are going to be a lot easier to probably clean the tips instead of having it be gunked up inside there. So you can probably just pop these off. I don't know how they... You gotta twist them or something. I don't know, I don't want to rip them. But... What's my thoughts on these? These things are heavy. Heavy compared to the other ones. That's for sure. That's gonna be... Get some used to closing that. Seen one person, a couple people, YouTubers, they say it's a nice phone holder. No way it's gonna hold mine. Max Pro. So what's my thoughts? I think they're quality built. You know, Apple does build some type of things good quality. Now, I think the Apple AirPods, the first generation when they came out, I thought that was the coolest thing that they made since basically the iPhone when they came out with it. They haven't really innovated any new things besides, you know, like their speaker, which is flopping. So the other ones would just snap right in. Yeah, these are... I don't know. They're kind of like difficult to get out if you want. If your hands are slippery. Yeah. See, they would just snap into place. See, so they wouldn't snap in. Well, we gotta help this guy. So that's kind of a like how you supposed to grip it. Yeah. So that's not good. Yeah. See. Wow. You have to grab it from here. The rubber thing. So that's kind of like that's a design flaw right there. Somewhat. Unless you go like this. No, you can't do that. Let's use something to pry it out. So that kind of sucks. I mean, how you got to grab them out. You can't. I mean, especially if you have them in your ears and you got a little grease or something. Oils. I mean, you've seen this. I'm not making this up right here. It's my first time unboxing it. And they're hard to, you know, actually take out if your hands are slippery. So the best bet is to grab them from the rubber piece, pull it out. Grab them from the rubber piece. I mean, if you push a lot of pressure and you go like this, you could pull them out. So you could pull them out this way. This is what I think. But how are people going to know how to pull out their AirPods? So this is how you're going to pull them out. You're going to pull towards you. Like that. Pull towards you. Alright, so that works. But nobody would really know how to get them out like that. Would they ever think about that? So what you do, you can't get them out like this. They're slipping. You're trying to pull them straight out like the old ones. All you have to do, that I just figured out, just go like that. Put your finger in here, pull back. Put your finger in there, pull back. So that's pretty nice, I mean, I guess. Boom, boom, boom. But yeah, trying to get it out this way, that's a pain in the butt, but enough of me complaining. Hope you guys liked the video of the unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro Edition. So I'm going to test these babies out, see how they sound. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more videos. And as always, thanks for watching.